So guys, I recently got a message from a friend who is also a subscriber on this channel asking me, Nurse Pep, does the penis shift womb? Because my friend said she went to reset hers and that her womb fell during sex and childbirth. After resetting, she feels normal. Guys, do you really think the penis can shift the womb? Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section before I tell you what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Pep. I'm a registered nurse BNSC, and on this channel we'll talk about nursing, lifestyle vlogs, feminine health and everything in between. And if you are just setting your eyes on this beautiful face, please don't make the last by clicking on the subscribe button down below. And with that being said, let's get right into this video. Most times the term for womb shifting is actually an expression of I will give you great sex, or maybe you are going to have a nice time with me. But most people nowadays just assume it for its literal meaning, which is I will shift your womb. So let's do a quick anatomy of the female reproductive system. So the first feature is the vagina, and after the vagina comes the external os of the cervix. This external os is just an opening between the vagina and the cervix. It's just right on top of the vagina. It's usually closed, or let me say is semi-opened, in that it allows the flow of menstruation and mucus, but it is not opened. It's not something you can just go through. So right after the external os is the cervix, which is right on top. The cervix, and then we have the internal os, which is between the uterus and the cervix, before the uterus, which is also known as the womb. So from this diagram, you can see visually that there is no way on earth the penis can actually get to the uterus, not to talk of shifting it. It has to go through the cervix before getting to the uterus, and the penis cannot get to the cervix just because there is an external os which is blocking it. So womb shifting is actually a myth. It is not real. It is just an expression of I will give you great sex, if that makes sense. Even during deep penetrative intercourse, the penis still do not enter the cervix. It might hit the external os or behind the cervix, but it cannot go inside the cervix. And when this happens, the female is always experiencing excruciating pain during intercourse. It is really not a comfortable situation. So let's reason it in another way. If it could take 9 months for the cervix to be well dilated to aid childbirth, why then do you think the penis can reach the cervix and even shift the womb? In case you are forgetting, sexual intercourse involves in and out thrusting of the penis inside the vagina. And again, if it was possible for the penis to shift the womb during sexual intercourse, doctors, midwives would not advise pregnant women to indulge in sexual intercourse when they are pregnant, just so it does not affect the child or cause complications for the pregnancy. So in essence, no and no, that is a myth. The penis cannot shift the womb during sexual intercourse. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you found this video really interesting, do well to share it with your friends and your family. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.